getting back home. I pretty much got everything that I wanted to get from the stores and stuff. Something bit me on my face. Okay, so I pretty much got everything that I wanted to get. I'm gonna show you guys what I got on the vlog, and she opens her gift, but I'll show you firsthand. So I got her. Oh, if I open it, sorry guys, I'm using one hand and this is difficult. Let me turn the TV down. Hold on. Mom has the TV so loud, but I got her this cup and it says "Moms Make Life Beautiful." It's a really cute little like tumbler with a straw. So I got her that. What else did I get her? From Victoria's Secret. Let me turn my light on. So from Victoria's Secret, I put my flash on so you guys can see better. I got her this sleep shirt. It says VS. And then I also got her this sleep shirt. And it just says Victoria's Secret. But she loves these sleep tees. So I got her 2 of those. Let me put this back in there. Then I went and got her some jewelry. So I got her this set of earrings. They're really, really pretty. They're rose gold. She loves rose gold, so I thought these would be really pretty. And then I got her these ones, which are just little, they're a little different. You see? There we go. Really pretty though. And then I got her some shoes. I got her these Tommy Hilfiger sandals. So I got 2 pairs. See if I can get this out without destroying the box. I got this pair right here. And then I got her this pair right here. So really, really cute sandals. She really liked her. Some flowers, and I have to get her one more thing. But this is her watch. And I need to turn it off because it's ticking and the battery will go dead if I don't. So I'll stop it. Nope. Let me turn the camera off so I can stop this. But yeah, this is her watch. So yeah, those are her gifts. And I don't know what else I'm gonna get her. But so far this is it. But yeah, I will definitely show you guys once I figure out what else I'm gonna get her. I know I'm gonna get her some flowers, and I don't know what else, but she has a really, really pretty cake. And we're doing a paint and sip, so that's also a gift for her birthday, because she loves paint and sips. So we're gonna do that. But yeah, that's everything pretty much. Guys, so I just picked up the cake. Libby's in the back seat, acting like a crybaby. Are you a crybaby? Hey, are you a crybaby? Are you a big girl? You gotta think about it. Anyways, I just picked up the cake. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's still in the plastic and stuff, and I have to figure out what to do about this blue flower. Somebody set their car alarm off, but let me show you. It's the cake. She did such an amazing job. Libby, I'm recording. You guys will see it better out of the box, but I have to fix this flower right here because I didn't want it blue. But I'm just gonna take some food coloring and just paint it. Attempt to. But yeah, this is how it looks. It's so pretty. She did everything, the honeycomb, everything. The only thing I supplied for her was the cake topper and the macaroon. Oh, they're all at the bottom too, but yeah, that's how it looks. Do you need some assistance of any sort? What can I help you with? What's wrong? What's wrong with you? You sleepy? You want to listen to some music? Okay, I'll put music on. Okay, I'll put it on. 3 hours into the party, Libby is just on 1,000. I haven't been able to get anything productive done because she's just on 100, and I have to keep stopping her every 5 minutes to stop her from hurting herself. Like now she's playing with plastic, but I'm monitoring her whatever keeps her busy, right? So yeah, and my hair is so frizzy because it's so hot outside. It's like already 80 degrees, and it's not even. It's just not. Shh, Libby, Kelsey is filming. You cannot do all that. Stop trying to pop. Why are you trying to pop it? Libby, why are you trying to pop it? Just play with it. Hey. Olivia, stop. Stop. Kelsey's gonna get you. Anyways, my hair is frizzy because it's already hot outside, but I'm just gonna rock it like this. I'm not gonna put anything else to it. I need to go to Party City real quick and get the balloons because I doubt that Kelsey will be able to get them. Right there. Okay. Huh? Thank you. I got them from Trader Joe's. Really? Yeah, I made all the arrangements. They're real flowers. All of them are real. I got them from Trader Joe's. I made them up. I just bought different types of flowers and put them together. Okay, y'all ready? Yes, we're ready. Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.